Hello, guys. We are seeing now login test pages uh, for one of the website, and we are doing website testing for login test pages. And here we will see the negative scenario. So, what is the negative scenario? Verify that. So, when user login with the invalid credentials, what happens? So, what are valid credentials? Username is admin, password is admin123. So, invalid credentials can be either username when you are typing some spelling mistake or you are giving some other username, some other password, so etc. So when we are giving username and password is incorrect, it should throw error message. So that is the negative scenario. Okay. So go here. I'm providing admin username is correct, but password what I'm doing now, I'm typing admin 12 only. So because I don't know the password exactly, just imagine. So we don't know the password exactly. So I didn't get any credentials from the or when you are creating the password, no, so you have created the password, but immediately you forgot the password. You are trying to log into the application. So now try to click on the login. So, but we have provided the invalid credentials now. Okay, try to log in. So immediately it should provide the error message. So invalid credentials. So this is the negative scenario, negative validation. Okay. So this is very important. So user the application should get access when user provides the valid credentials, correct username, correct password. Now, user is trying to log into the application with invalid credentials. So, username he provided correctly, but instead of complete password, I gave admin12. This means incorrect password. When you provide the incorrect password, immediately it should show error message. So, this is the negative scenario, negative validation. I hope you understood this. Thank you.